In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a round-robin schedule meeting in HubSpot. For those not familiar with the term, a round-robin scheduling helps distribute meetings evenly among team members, ensuring that everyone gets an equal opportunity to engage with clients or prospects. It's especially useful for sales teams looking to streamline their meeting processes. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. This is your go-to resource for accessing all the tools and features that HubSpot has to offer. Once you're there, you'll want to focus on the sales tools because they're the most relevant for our goal today. Clicking on Sales opens up a multitude of options tailored to improve your sales processes and efficiencies. Next, locate the Meeting Scheduler. This tool allows you to manage your meeting settings and options seamlessly. When you've clicked on Meeting Scheduler, you'll see an option to create a new scheduling page. This is where you lay the groundwork for the round-robin method. So go ahead and click the option to create a scheduling page. HubSpot provides a user-friendly interface, guiding you through the necessary steps to set it up according to your team's needs. Once you are in the scheduling page creation, look for the option labeled Round Robin. This is your key feature for today's setup. Selecting the Round Robin option allows meetings to be automatically assigned to different team members based on their availability. It's a fantastic way to ensure even distribution and prevent any one person from becoming overwhelmed with too many meetings, especially in a fast-paced sales environment. If you're setting this up for the first time, it might be helpful to review your team's availability and working hours in advance. This will allow for accurate scheduling and minimize potential conflicts. Another tip is to communicate with your team about this scheduling change, so everyone is aware of how client appointments will be allotted moving forward, and that's pretty much it. You have now successfully set up a round-robin schedule meeting in HubSpot. Remember, as with any new tool or process, it's important to monitor how it works in practice and make any adjustments as needed. Engaging with your team for feedback can provide insights into how the tool is functioning and whether it's meeting your initial expectations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional support, don't hesitate to reach out to HubSpot's resources or support team. They're always there to help ensure you're making the most of your tools. Happy scheduling!